Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiana here, and if you are new, thank you for stopping by, and if you are returning, thank you for trusting me to bring you quality content. So today I am doing something a little bit crazy. I'm doing a 5-minute makeup challenge, and so it's just something a little fun, just something to put out there. See what can I do in 5 minutes with my makeup. I'm super scared, you guys. It literally takes me an hour at the least to do my makeup. So let's see if I can get it done in 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer. I have my makeup laid out in whatever kind of way. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start the time. I'm scared. I'm gonna cheat a little bit and just have this in my hand. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whew. This is so crazy. I think the fact that knowing I have a time to beat scares me. And I'm not even using my little bitty mirror. I'm just kind of winging it. Ooh. Take a little setting powder. And set it. Okay, I literally have powder everywhere, you guys. I have 3 minutes, okay. I need a mirror. I don't have any. I don't know what my mother uses clear. Let's do that time. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I don't know what I'm doing, guys. And I'm gonna put on eyeliner. Mascara. Okay, I need to contour. How much time do I have left? I'm wasting time doing this. I know. I'm looking at the time. Okay, 2 minutes. I look a mess. I look a mess. Don't mind my text messages. Okay. Okay, I don't have any freaking, okay, we're gonna use this. I don't have any blush in front of me, you guys. So I'm gonna have to use this one, not the color Pop Pellet. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and I don't have anything in front of me. I forgot to grab so much stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm just grabbing brushes because I don't know. I didn't even contour my nose. Okay, looking. pretty good. Put a little bit of this. A little eyeliner. Let's put this like this. And this is Real Life. 5 minutes. It's just literally the only lipstick I have sitting there. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys. This is 5 minutes worth of makeup. I don't think I did that bad. It could be better. So that was just a quick little challenge. I look a mess. I look a mess. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching this challenge. If you want to see the Queen Key do more challenges, just to go ahead and let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I forgot to say at the beginning of the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Okay? Thank you for stopping by.